Oleksii Merkulov is a Ukrainian scientist whose work mainly focuses on research into iron metallurgy development. He lives in the country's fourth largest city, which has seen relatively little disturbance so far. How's life in Dnipro?
Our city of Dnipro is still safe for now and is currently under curfew, which prohibits civilians on the streets and in public places from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. The air defense siren goes off several times a day in the city due to the danger of missile strikes. When this happens, we go down to the underground shelter and wait for the danger to pass.
Merkulov works for the National Academy of Science of Ukraine, a self-governing and state-funded scientific research organization. He says he and his colleagues are able to continue with their work, but it's not without challenges.
On the one hand, most employees of the institutes of the National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine have been transferred to a remote mode of work, which is associated primarily with maintaining our personal safety. On the other hand, on a purely psychological level, it's very difficult to tune oneself to work because the disturbing news coming from colleagues in other institutes, such as in Kharkov, Kiev, Sumy, and the media, the constant air raid alarms are not conducive to effective work.
I assume Ukraine scientists cooperate with their Russian counterparts on various projects. Have these been put on hold, or can they continue?
As of today, scientific cooperation with Russian scientists has been completely discontinued.
What's your plan for the future in terms of scientific research?
Current conditions mean adjustments are made to research directions and makes research aimed at improving the country's defense capabilities as a priority. It's also necessary to continue research on the creation of materials with preset properties, the development of effective methods, technical means and technologies for evaluation, and the extensions of the service life of various equipment, including those for military purposes.
Merkulov thanks the international scientific community for their assistance to Ukrainian scientists during the conflict. He said his hope now was for world peace, so he could continue his work with international scientists in the future. Cao Chufeng, CGTN.